The Viltrox 85mm f1.8 for the Fuji or Fujifilm X series line of cameras is a real treat. I bought this a few weeks ago. I took it up to Alaska and I took it on a cruise. And instead of talking about all the specs, which you can find readily online, let's get straight to the footage. And definitely wait till the end where you see this Viltrox 85mm capturing a live black bear out in the wild in Alaska. So check it out. And by the way, this is being shot on the X-T3, but what you're about to see is the 85mm f1.8 being used with the X-H1. And the reason I used my X-H1 is I did a lot of handheld footage, as you're about to see, and I wanted that footage as smooth as possible. This footage would have not have been possible with the X-T3 because it does not have built-in image stabilization. This lens does not, so if you're gonna do some handheld video work, you gotta have the X-H1. So let's check it out.